How to download AliExpress on iPhone. Are you guys facing issue to download AliExpress on your iPhone devices? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First of all, open App Store on your mobile device. Once you open the App Store, now click on the search icon and search for AliExpress. After you search for it, click on the second option where you can see this icon for AliExpress. Tap on it. Now click on Get. As soon as you verify your Face ID, your app will start to download. It will vary according to your Wi-Fi speed. As soon as it gets downloaded, just simply tap and open, and you are ready for shopping. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna download AliExpress on your iPhone devices. If you guys have any issues regarding AliExpress, make sure to comment down below so that I can help you out. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.